G'day, Steve here from Smart Water. Today I'm doing a product spotlight on the Rainbird PGA Series Solenoid Valve. These are our go-to valve for high-end residential and commercial projects. They're made from robust PVC and reinforced nylon glass, rated to over 1,000 kPa in pressure. They're a slow closing design, meaning they eliminate as much as possible water hammer, which can cause damage to systems. These valves have a manual internal bleed, whereby you open the coil like this, which allows the water to flow through the valve internally and have the system turn on manually. The one-piece diaphragm design in these valves means that the spring and diaphragm are together. When you pull it apart for maintenance, you don't lose parts. It makes it easy to service. Flow control handle on the top of the valve here is what you use to turn down the valve to reduce flow, and that can help to prevent misting in the system and make sure your output is optimal. 24 volt AC super quiet coil here, also available 9 volt DC latching option for Rainbird battery operated controllers. These valves are available in 25, 40 and 50 mil options. PGA series valves are also compatible with the Rainbird PRS dial, which is an inbuilt pressure regulator that can be mounted onto the valve to regulate the pressure downstream of the solenoid valve up to a maximum of 6.9 bar. These valves are also compatible with the Rainbird series of decoders, so the traditional FD101 series decoder as well as their new IVM series. These valves have a 3-year warranty. They've got a proven track record. They're a super reliable valve. For more information, go to our website smart-water.com.au or speak to the guys in store.